In this video, you will learn how to start a sneaker cleaning business. Starting a sneaker cleaning business can be a profitable venture for those who are passionate about footwear and have an entrepreneurial spirit. Sneakers are a staple in fashion, and many people invest in expensive and rare pairs, making them a valuable item to take care of. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to start a successful sneaker cleaning business. Step 1. Research the market. The first step in starting a sneaker cleaning business is to research the market. Look for other businesses in your area that offer similar services and see what they offer, their pricing, and customer reviews. This will give you an idea of the competition in the market and how you can differentiate your services. Additionally, you should research the sneaker industry, including popular brands, trends, and materials used in footwear. This knowledge will help you identify your target market and create services that meet their needs. Step 2. Develop a business plan. Once you have researched the market, you should develop a business plan that outlines your services, target market, pricing, and marketing strategy. Your business plan should also include financial projections and a timeline for launching your business. It is important to have a clear and detailed plan to guide you through the process of starting and running your business. A business plan can also be useful if you plan to seek funding from investors or lenders. Step 3. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Before launching your business, you must obtain any necessary licenses and permits required by your state or local government. This may include a business license, sales tax permit, and zoning permit. Failure to obtain the proper permits can result in fines and legal issues. Step 4. Acquire equipment and supplies. To start a sneaker cleaning business, you will need equipment and supplies such as brushes, cleaning solutions, and a cleaning station. You may also need a website and social media presence to market your services. Consider purchasing high-quality equipment and supplies to ensure that you can provide the best service to your customers. You can also look into wholesalers and distributors to save money on bulk purchases. Step 5. Establish your pricing. When establishing your pricing, consider the cost of your equipment and supplies, as well as your labor and overhead costs. Research the prices of other businesses in the market to ensure that your prices are competitive. You can also offer different pricing tiers for different levels of cleaning services or additional services such as waterproofing or restoration. Consider offering package deals or discounts for repeat customers to encourage loyalty. Step 6. Market your business. Marketing your business is essential to attract customers and establish your brand. Consider advertising on social media platforms, creating flyers, or offering promotional deals to gain exposure. You can also partner with local sneaker stores or fashion boutiques to offer your services to their customers. Building relationships with other businesses in the industry can help you reach a wider audience. Step 7. Provide exceptional customer service. Providing exceptional customer service is key to building a successful sneaker cleaning business. Focus on building relationships with your customers and providing personalized services that meet their needs. Ensure that your cleaning process is thorough and efficient, and that you take the time to answer any questions or concerns your customers may have. By providing exceptional customer service, you can establish a loyal customer base and gain positive reviews and referrals. In conclusion, starting a sneaker cleaning business requires thorough research, planning, and execution. By following these steps, you can establish a successful business that meets the needs of your target market and provides exceptional customer service. With dedication and hard work, your sneaker cleaning business can become a thriving enterprise. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a sneaker cleaning business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.